this surface and this surface. It's not called out on the part, on the print. And there's plenty of stock in here to clean up and bore the hole to size with 5/1000 length. I want you to do it closer because I want you to get good at that. But you should know when you're called on to do something quickly and you don't need perfect concentricity, don't spend 20 minutes trying to get perfect concentricity.
So if the surface is not smooth, how do we check the balance?
If the surface isn't smooth,
Yeah, it isn't smooth.
you can't check it as accurate inherently. Now, if you needed to true it up and you had already created a hole here, you would have made a smooth surface in here, smoother than this, that you could indicate on the inside. You'd get a test indicator and put it in there so that you could true up on the inside of the hole. Sometimes you have to. Sometimes the inside of a bore is what you are required to true up.
So what kind of indicator we use inside?
You know, the type that you've used on the mills, use the test indicator that will fit in. There are many types of indicators. Last word. It's a very simple, very sturdy test indicator. A test indicator is any indicator where the contactor moves in a circle. Okay? It wiggles rather than a piston action. Okay? Here's a linear action dial indicator. It's a Lufkin. Lufkin is an older brand. So it works like a travel indicator, but it has a setup that lets you turn it into a test indicator. It has a pivoting setup. Okay? This is a very good set to have. Okay, so first thing I'm going to need to do is reduce this down to its final length. We're going for a 2-inch length. I've got almost 3/4 of an inch to take off. Am I going to do that all with facing cuts? Facing cuts are harder than turning cuts. So I'm going to make a mark just beyond 2 inches, 2 1/8 inches. I'm going to take turning cuts up to that. Yeah, I got it.
Why do we use the cutting to like cut it off? It could be faster.
You could part it off.
Cut it off.
Yeah. I don't have one out. I'm not set up for it, so I'm going to go ahead and take turning cuts.
Why are facing cuts harder?
They place a much higher radial load on the machine. I always knew it instinctively, and then a student and I researched it, and for a given depth of cut, there's a higher load on the cutter and on the part and on the machine when you're plunging straight in than there is on this one. So if you have a lot of material to take off, you may want to do it with a series of turning cuts. Okay, and we have, we're at 7,000 speed, that would be okay.
chips are coming out over here.
Ah. Notice I've got a full 3/4 of an inch that I'm chucking on. I would not take those heavy cuts without that much. And I now have a length that I can actually measure. And at 2 inches 135.